For the past 3 months, we've been quietly selling Kraft macaroni and cheese with no artificial flavors, preservatives, or dyes. And guess what? Moms didn't notice. Oh, sneaky mom. Kids didn't notice. Neither did dogs. This guy named Bill didn't notice.
It's William.
Millennials who hate being called millennials didn't notice. Neither did baristas taking an unscheduled lunch break. This billionaire didn't notice, and he made his billions by noticing everything. And this guy who says he's working from home but isn't, didn't notice a thing. Because this Kraft mac and cheese still tastes like Kraft mac and cheese. It's changed, but it hasn't. You know you love it.